Welcome to Terror Tower, the Nightmare Castle. Thank you. First, we need some terror. So how about a spooky face, complete with angry eyes? There we go. And some triangles for the nose. And how about a long, ghostly mouth? Now, to turn this into a nightmare castle, these eyes and nostrils become windows. And this mouth becomes a portcullis. Now, to turn it into terror towers, just add the towers. Do lots of nice, long, pointy roofs, like that, and then add some shading detail down the sides. And some extra windows dotted round. Just down the sides of the castle, I think. And how about some spooky arms clawing out to get you? Now, I know castles don't have arms, but these are old, dead trees that have been struck by lightning over the years. Look at that. Now, Terror Towers is positioned precariously on the top of an old, craggy cliff. And it's so old and haunted, it's dripping in goo with slime and cobwebs hanging off everything. And of course, every nightmare castle has bats in the belfry, so just little M shapes. And there it is, Terror Towers. Scary. Now here's the fun bit. I've used a water-soluble felt pen for this, not a permanent marker. So take a brush, dip it into some water, not too much, and just gently brush it over the picture to make the ink run, but not too much. And look what happens. You get this really atmospheric, sort of spooky effect. And then just draw in the full moon in white chalk and smudge it for a misty effect, and just add in some more mist around the towers, and again smudge them. And then just pick out some highlights down the left-hand edge of everything where the moonlight kisses everything. And finally, just to bring out the scary face and give it a real spooky character, a bit of yellow chalk in these windows as if the lights were on in the face. And there it is, Terror Towers. Try it yourself. Draw a spooky face and turn it into the Nightmare Castle Terror Towers.
Oh, what a novel idea. Give a spooky face a makeover and turn it into Terror Towers. Of course, if I want to see some creepy, sinister towers, I just have to admire the view from my living room window. Do you want to see it? Cooling towers! I think I ought to move.